Hello students, I am Dr. Pooja Pandey, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Financial Studies, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Vishwavidyalaya, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. In the last lecture, I have discussed marketing research process, and in this lecture, I will discuss the marketing information system. Let's discuss what is marketing information system. The marketing information system refers to the systematic collection, analysis, interpretation, storage of the market information from both the internal as well as external sources to the marketer on a regular and continuous basis. A marketing information system is intended to bring together a lot of data into an understandable body of information, and it provides process data which is suitable for decision making. According to Kotler, MIS is more than a system of data collection or a set of information technologies. A marketing information system is a continuing and interacting structure of people, equipment and procedure to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate and distribute pertinent, timely and accurate information for use by marketing decision maker to improve their marketing planning, implementation and control. The marketing manager, in the pursuit of effective conduct of their managerial planning and control operations, need to draw regular information from the marketing environment. As we know, this environment consists of two types of factors, that is micro environment and macro environment. And micro factors includes competitors, policies, and macro factors includes socio-culture, economic, legal, political, technological and the demographic factors. Let's discuss important characteristics of marketing information system. First one, MIS is an ongoing process as it operates continuously. Next, marketing information system acts as a data bank and facilitate prompt decision making by manager. Next, it operates in a rational and systematic manner and provides required information which is needed for a business houses. Next, MIS is basically future oriented. It anticipates and prevents problems as well as it solves marketing problem, and it is both a preventive as well as curative process in marketing because it prevents problems and provides solution for the same problem. Next is the gathered data is processed with the help of operating research techniques. Modern mathematical and statistical tools are available for problem solving in the field of marketing. And the next one is very important characteristics of marketing information system is it is a computer based method of data collection, processing and storage. And the next is management gets a steady flow of information on a regular basis, the right information for the right people at the right time and at the right cost. And the next is it stands between the marketing environment and marketing decision makers. Marketing data flows from the environment to the marketing information system, and marketing data is processed by the system and converted into marketing information flow which goes to the marketer for decision making. Let's discuss the functions of marketing information system. The marketing information system performs 6 important functions That is, firstly, assembling of marketing data. That means collection of required marketing data from the different sources. And the second one is processing of data. That is, editing, tabulating and summarizing the data. And the third one is analyzing the data. That means filling out percentage, ratio, test of significance, etc. And the next one is storage and retrieval of data. That means filling and indexing of data for future purpose. And the next one is evaluating regarding accuracy and reliability of data. And the last function is dissemination or distribution of relevant and wanted information to decision makers. Let's discuss the stages of marketing information system. Marketing information system includes 4 stages. First one is to define the system. That means the system for which design is to be made has to be defined clearly in terms of elements, the relationship and its boundaries. The system may be the complete organization consisting of all functions or only one or several functions. Next stage is source and frequency identification. We can say once the information needs have been assessed, the source of this information and the frequency of reporting have to be identified. And I have already explained the source could be both external and internal, whereas the frequency could be based on the occurrence of the event or by exceptions. Next stage is formats of MIS. Generally, there are 2 formats which are very important. First one, research assessment sheet, and the second one is marketing activity evaluation sheet. The research assessment sheet contains information like marketing decisions, parameters, frequencies, source and the format code. And the marketing activity evaluation sheet will contain the items, relationship, standard, actual, variances and reason. And the research assessment sheet is useful from the information point of view, while the second format could be used for control point of view. And the last stage is implementation, and the steps needed for implementation. The newly designed marketing information system could be such as prepare marketing research plan, train the research staff, prepare operating schedules and evaluate and modify the research system. Let's discuss components of marketing information system. The diagram shown in the slide illustrates the major component of an MIS, the environmental factors monitored by the system and the types of marketing decision which the marketing information system seeks to help in. With the help of this model, all the 4 important constituents can be explained. A full-fledged MIS should have the following component: methods of collection, storing, retrieving and processing data. 3 levels of decision making can be observed here, that is strategic control and operational. Strategic control, operational, and MIS has to support all these 3 decision making. And strategic decisions are very important as they have implications on changing the structure of an organization. Therefore, we can say the MIS must provide precise and accurate information. And control decision deals with broad policy issues. And operational decisions basically concern the management of the organization's marketing mix, etc. Marketing information system should help the manager in his decision making process for problem identification, generation and evaluation of alternative course of action to acquire necessary feedback on implementation, his decision, and basically it helps him to take corrective actions. Let's discuss component of effective marketing information system. According to Kotler, an effective marketing information system has the following four component that is given in the slide. So first one, internal accounting system. It generally includes, maintains data pertaining to sales, receivables, cost, etc. and that are internal to the organization. This component of MIS refers to a formal system created to regularly review the internal reports of the organization, like orders from intermediaries, sales report, prices, price variations, cost of different levels, inventory levels, payables, receivables, etc. collected through the different means such as order to payment cycle, sales information system, internal database, data warehousing and other departments. Second component is market intelligence system. As the name itself implies, it speaks about the external changes occurring in the macro environment and prepares manager to make effective strategies. And the third component is marketing research system. This undertakes studies on specific marketing problems and provides solution to the management. The systematic design, collection, analysis and reporting of data relevant to a specific market situation or problem is the market research system. And the system basically incorporates formal marketing studies of specific problems or opportunities commissioned by the marketing manager to the research department or the outsourcing of specialized services. And as we have already discussed, the research process involves defining the problem, developing the research plan, collecting the data, analysis of information and making analysis and finally preparation of report. And the fourth component is marketing management science system. It mainly helps in building models for better understanding of the marketing process. It is a coordinated collection and synchronization of data system, tools, techniques with supporting software and hardware by which an organization gather information from business and environment and turn it into a basis for marketing decisions or actions. Let's discuss benefit or advantage of management marketing information system. We know when a company begins to regularly schedule the coordination of information and data flowing in from diverse sources, the company has begun to develop an important marketing information system. And the growth of MIS from local to global level indicate the importance it has gained in recent years. So coming to the advantage of MIS, first is controlling marketing cost. MIS can help in a crisis. In normal times, it provides control as we have information of the various process going on and what is happening across the company, across the environment. So It is helpful in controlling marketing cost. Second benefit is providing timely report. With the help of MIS, reports of business can be prepared timely. And the third point is forecasting consumer demand. As we know, mass production and mass distribution in ever expanding market are based on anticipation of consumer demand. Under customer oriented marketing approach, every marketer needs up to date knowledge to understand the market condition about customers' needs and wants. In a dynamic economy, consumer taste, fashion and liking are constantly changing. So, MIS is very important to analyze and forecasting future consumer demands, and without precise information on the nature, character and size of consumer demand, no business can be successful. Decision based upon different demand supply condition, availability of competitors cannot be taken. So it is very helpful in deciding, forecasting future consumer demand. And the next is strategy formulation. Very important. MIS is helpful in formulation of strategy for different business decisions. And the next one is analysis of competitions. As we know, the present or modern markets are competitive. A marketer cannot make decision in a competitive situation. Modern business is a many-sided game in which rivals and opponents continuously try to formulate strategies to gain advantage over one another, and MIS is very helpful in analyzing the competitive situation and the policies of competitors, etc., for making different decisions. And the next is systematic method. Basically, MIS operates in a rational and systematic manner, and as it acts as a systematically, so it provides required information in a proper manner. And the next is innovative and adaptive technology. Ever expanding markets create conditions that lead to technological progress, and modern marketer must be innovative. If he wants to survive in the current situation, he must be innovative, and with the help of MIS, manager can get the latest information regarding technological development and can make decision in the best way. Let's discuss disadvantages or limitation of MIS. Firstly, huge cost or expensive. Establishment of MIS in any organization is costly affair because it involves huge cost to be incurred on setting up of hardware and software for the required purpose. Second limitation is not preferred. We can say the database marketing has been primarily used as a tactical tool, and there is a possibility that MIS lead to less reliable and less secure data, and MIS system may become slow and hard to manage. So it is not preferable all the time. And the next limitation is depends on database. The database marketing depends on the data quality. While the observational data is powerful, and the corrupted observational data could be powerful misleading. So the quality also depends on the quality of analysis and extent to which the databases are linked. And the last one is it requires new set of skills. The database often demands new skill and organization from new analytical and decision making skills in sales and marketing to a revamped information system organization that could support the entirely new class of users. And also MIS, for the using the MIS, there is requirement of specialized knowledge, and employees should be trained timely so that they can cope up with the new skills, new technology and new knowledge. So these are the references, and today we have discussed marketing information system. Thank you.